All right, well, hang on for a second.
Yep.
Debra Opri, criminal defense attorney, your reaction to this proposal, I've heard crazier things, honestly. I mean, people can say, oh, you know, show us the money. How do I know that you have the money? Well, I have no idea if he has the money or not, but given the controversy surrounding this case, it's as good a plan as any I've ever heard, and I'm not endorsing it on an ethical basis. I'm just saying that it could happen.
I'm no stranger to media deals, as you know. And I know that where there is a market and where there is a need and a desire to hear her story, they're going to hear it. And if she is not giving it away and it's got to get paid for because she has attorney's fees, cost of living, a future that is basically in jeopardy, she doesn't know how she'll earn a living, she will take the money as she finds it. And selling it overseas is probably a very good idea. Is it morally, ethically right? Who are we to say so? A jury did acquit her. She has a story to tell. People want to ask the hard questions. O.J. Simpson basically wrote a book
on this.
What happened?
Yeah. All right. Debra Opri, criminal defense attorney, do you have an ethical problem with it?
I actually don't, and I'll tell you why. If you look at the way jury consultants have operated hundreds of years, they basically take the pulse of society and feed into the jury pool through the trial exactly what they want in the leaning towards the way the case is presented for the verdict and the result achieved. Does he look good in blue? Does he have brown eyes or blue eyes that's going to really win over the women on the jury?
Okay, let me ask you this, Amy Singer.
You can always make money indirectly. You can still have the jury make money. They just do it through another source.
No, Joe, we got to draft it in such a way.
It doesn't matter how you rule.
All right, hold it. Debra Opri, you're getting the final word on this subject because I want to go to a caller. Go.
Okay, bottom line is it doesn't matter how a juror rules. They're going to sell a story. So they're not being sold as to a specific verdict. That's not the story here. You have First Amendment rights. As long as it doesn't influence their determination, they have a fair right to say how they came to that decision.
Money always influences.